Christy Hartman here. Welcome back to my channel. This is my project for the August theme in Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Facebook group that is hosted by pmartiststudio. See Me You See. This is called Make a Splash. This is an accordion style book, an ocean theme, my original characters. So let's just take a look at it. First spread is called Mermaid, Lagoon. Next page is called Ride the Waves. Next page is just a gel print. This one is Sea Turtles. This one is Splash. And then we're back to the original again. The angelfish, you can see I did different sizes, different shapes. I added some gold to all of these fish and to the bubbles. I added gold and stickles to the fish, the mermaid. Same thing here. This one you can see there's gold and glitter and all of these little fish. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends so that they know what's going on over here. Hope you enjoy it. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment. Thank you. I was inspired by this project by P and Mariah did an accordion book recently. And I have cut strips of this cloth tape. I ripped them in half. I'm using mat board and I'm going to put these together. And we're going to have, I think 5, that's where I'm at right now, 5 pages in this accordion book. I just fold it over the end. My second strip. Alright, so here's the book. And then I'm going to paint this with probably a black gesso. This is my accordion book. I have painted it with black gesso and I painted it with black paint. And I put 2 coats of black gesso and 1 coat of black paint on it. And I began collaging some of the pages just to get them ready to add the elements to. And this is what I've done so far. These are all gel prints that I've had for a while. Haven't used them, and this seemed like the appropriate time. The other side I've already kind of laid out and cut the pages that I want to add to this. Let's use our PVA. Let's take our pages. Let's add some glue. Spread out the glue and lay this onto the black page. There's one. This will go right here. These 2 will go right here. And when I'm ready to add some more elements to this, I'll be back. I have glued down these last 2 pages, and I have this kind of cool element here that I want to add, and I'm going to add it right to this page. And I added this little feature stripe right here at the bottom, and I tore this out so it would have sort of jagged, irregular edges. So let's add this. I've decided to add some music to this page. I'm going to overlay this orange piece here, and I'm going to add a little bit of music here. I'm going to glue these on, and I'll be right back. These are the pages that I've glued so far. I'm not sure this one is going to work because this will fold out like that, and I'm afraid that might be too much force on that, but we'll let it dry and see how it shows up. And then there's another musical note there. Now we have the other side. I want to use this somewhere here. I just am not sure where. And I'm not sure I want that much of it showing. Maybe a little less. So maybe we'll cut it right about here. And I'll be back when I've decided if this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my art glitter glue, and I'm going to glue this kind of feature stripe onto this page. Those two work well together. This actually will fold pretty much like this. So let's just go through it real quick. Now we'll need to fill this up with some characters.